In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly edit your video clips by adding transitions for a polished and professional finish. Whether you're working on a family video, a school project, or starting your own YouTube channel, incorporating transitions can significantly enhance the overall flow of your video, making it more engaging and enjoyable to watch. First and foremost, let's start by uploading your clips. Head over to the Media panel, and there you'll find an option to upload media. Click on that and go ahead and add all the video clips and images that you plan to use. This is a crucial first step because having all your media organized and uploaded ensures that you can work efficiently without interruption. It sets the foundation for a smooth editing process. With our media in place, the next step is to explore the Transitions menu. On the left sidebar of your editing software, look for the Transitions option, easily identifiable by its scissors icon adorned with sparkles. Clicking on this will open up a whole range of transition styles that you can choose from. Transitions are essential because they help connect your clips in a visually appealing way, making the cuts less jarring and more seamless for the viewer. Now, let's move on to choosing a transition style that complements your video's tone and message. You'll have a variety of options at your disposal, anything from a gentle fade to the left or right, to a more dynamic slide or wipe, and even dramatic zoom effects. Once you've found a transition that resonates with your creative vision, simply drag your chosen transition between two clips in the timeline. This action is straightforward but important, as it directly impacts how your clips will flow from one to the next. After inserting your chosen transition, it's time to adjust the duration. Click on the transition in the timeline, and you'll be able to modify how long it lasts. You can change its duration to be as short as half a second, or extend it up to 2 seconds, depending on the feel you're going for. Remember, a shorter transition can give a quick-paced, energetic feel, while a longer transition might be more suitable for dramatic or emotional scenes. Play around with the duration until you find the perfect fit that enhances your video's story. Before wrapping things up, it's wise to preview your video to see the effect of the transitions in real time. Simply press play to watch your video from start to finish, paying special attention to the transitions you've added. This will give you a clear idea of how your final video will look and feel. Once you're satisfied with the transitions and overall edit, it's time for the final step: exporting your project. Click on Export Project to save your final video in your preferred format. Ensuring that your video is saved correctly is the last step in sharing your creation with the world. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding transitions to your video clips. With these simple steps, you can transform your raw footage into a polished and engaging video that's ready to impress your audience. Thank you for watching, and